Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Apple Music family sharing not working. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the settings app. Now after that you have to tap on your Apple ID. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on family sharing. Once you tap on that guys, you can see this type of interface. Okay guys, from here you have to go to purchase sharing option. Okay guys, tap on that and also make sure that you have turned on Apple Music for other person if you are a family organizer. And if you are not a family organizer, and if family organizer is your dad or a sister or brother or guardian, just simply you have to tell them that he has to share Apple Music subscription with you, and after that you can easily fix your problem. And once it's there guys, what you need to do guys, just simply you have to sign out your Apple ID from your device, and just simply you have to sign in it again, and after that you have to force restart your device, and after that you have to leave the family, and after that you have to rejoin it, and I'll guarantee you after that your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.